Okay, now we are learning about meidai to shugo, prepositions and sets. Ni wa sosu de aru. 2 is a prime number. Wa tadashi ga, it is right. 2 is a prime number. Prime number is a number which is only can be divided with the number itself. It doesn't have any other number. For example, 2 only can be divided with 2 and 1, nothing else. So 2 is a prime number. Wa tadashi, it is correct. But the root of 2 plus the root of 3 equal the root of 5. Wa tadashi kunai, it's not correct. On the other hand, Enshuritsu wa the P, you know P, right? P is 3.14 blah 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 blah. The P ni chikai su de aru. It is correct, right? Enshuritsu chikai su de aru. Tadashi to mo tadashi kunai to mo handan dekinai. Whether it's correct or not correct, we cannot judge. Ipan ni in general, tadashi ka tadashi kunai ka ga sadameru bunya shiki o meidai to iu, we can call propositions. Okay, if we can mention whether this is correct or not correct. Any kind of bun and shiki, sentence or expressions, we can call propositions. Prepositions ga tadashi toki, when the propositions is correct, so no meidai wa shin de aru to i, we call it shin in Japanese. Tadashi kunai toki, so no meidai wa gi de aru to iu. When it is not correct, okay, that proposition is called gi in Japanese. Let's see the example 6.1. San ijo no sosu wa kisu de aru wa meidei de ari shin de aru. So the prime number which is equal and above 3 is odd number. 3 is prime number, so it is correct. Okay, shin de aru. Kisu to kisu no wa wa kisu de aru. So when you add an odd number with an odd number, the result will be an odd number. This is a propositions, but gi de aru, it is not correct. Okay. When we go to number 6, say rokkakuke. Rokkake. This is a hexagon. If you want to know the hexagon, it has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexagon. Wa sei gokkake yori mo utsukushi. If we compare the polygon and the hexagon with the pentagon, it is much more beautiful. Much more beautiful polygon. We cannot say it is correct or not, right? Tadashi kunai tomo handan dekinai. Okay, so this is not a meidai dewanai. Okay, x is bigger than 2. Wa x equal 3. The answer for x bigger than 2 is 3. Notoki shin de aru ga x equal 1. Notoki wa gi de ari. when x is 1, it is wrong because we need the x to be bigger than 2. x の軸はに応じて真偽が定まる。Okay? So the answer, whether it's correct or not, depend on the value of x. x の軸に応じて真偽が定まる。It is determined. The value of x is determining whether it is correct or wrong. Right? When x is 3, it is correct. But when x is 1, it is not correct. So, このような文や式 the expression or the sentence を x に関する条件という。So, there's a condition, okay, for the x regarding the x. 2つの条件 P, there are two conditions for P and Q を応じて P ならば Q の形で表される命題を考えよう。Let's think about the propositions that is expressed like this. Okay, P, when P, it is Q. So this is the condition for the propositions. When P is the condition, Q is the solution. You have to write it down like this. P arrow Q と表す。So in this case, P is the hypotenusa を判定。Q 結論 the conclusion. If P then Q. Hypotenuse then Q. Okay? For example, may die x bigger than 2. If x is bigger than 2, then x is bigger than 0. So we write it down like this. X bigger than 2, arrow x bigger than 0. と表され、その過程は x bigger than 2. Okay? The hypotenusa. The conclusion, it means the x is bigger than 0. If x is bigger than 2, then x is bigger than 0. Okay? x に関する条件や条件文を考える場合には、when we are thinking about the condition sentence and the conditions for x, 考える x の範囲 the surrounding for the x すなわち全体集合をあらかじめ定めておく必要がある。It is necessary to determine, okay, the 全体集合 the 全体集合 the universal one. For example, should I x quadrat x square equal 1? If x square is 1, then it means x is 1. This is the hypotenusa, this is the conclusion. 全体集合がすべての実数である場合には偽であるが。Okay? If we are using all the sets, 実数 the real one, the real number ある場合には偽である。Why? Because 0以上の実数である場合に、but if we use the x is bigger than 0, then it is correct. Okay? So meidai ga shin de aru toki, so when the proposition is correct, so no meidai wa naritatsu toいうこともある。Okay, またmeidai ga gi de aru toki, when it's false, so no meidai wa naritata nai toいうこともある。